सो हेलो बच्चों, ये वीडियो शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स फ्रॉम वर्क पावर एनर्जी की पार्ट 2 है। ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इफ द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द बॉडी इंक्रीजेस बाय 300%, alright, if the kinetic energy of the body increases by 300%, by what percentage will the linear momentum of the body increases? Now first of all, tell me the relation between kinetic energy and linear momentum. We know this relation, kinetic energy is equal to p square by 2m. From this we can derive p square is equal to 2m into kinetic energy, or p is equal to root of 2m into काइनेटिक एनर्जी। अब देखिए बच्चों, इसकी प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने ए रिलेशन, ठीक है, रिलेशन बिटवीन काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड लीनियर मोमेंटम की कुछ ऐसे ही अमेजिंग ट्रिक डिस्कस की थी, जिसमें मैंने इफ मोमेंटम इंक्रीजेस बाय x%, फाइंड द परसेंटेज इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी। परसेंटेज इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी, इसके ऊपर मैंने ट्रिक बताई थी पिछली वीडियो में। बट इस वीडियो में हमें क्या चाहिए, व्हाट विल बी द परसेंटेज, बाय व्हाट परसेंटेज लीनियर मोमेंटम ऑफ द बॉडी इंक्रीजेस। ठीक है, इसमें काइनेटिक एनर्जी पूछा गया था, इसमें लीनियर मोमेंटम पूछा गया है। देखिए दोनों में रिलेशन डिफरेंट है। इसमें अगर P और काइनेटिक एनर्जी मतलब मोमेंटम और काइनेटिक एनर्जी का रिलेशन देखें तो यहाँ स्क्वायर रूट है, पर यहाँ काइनेटिक एनर्जी और मोमेंटम का रिलेशन देखें तो यहाँ स्क्वायर है। इसलिए जब हमने स्क्वायर इस्तेमाल किया था तो ट्रिक कुछ ऐसी थी, याद आया? ट्रिक कुछ ऐसी थी पार्ट 1 वीडियो में। तो अब यहाँ पर हमने पार्ट 2 लिया है। ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं, जैसे कि क्वेश्चन 2 टाइप है। ठीक है, इफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी इंक्रीजेस बाय x%, देन फाइंड द परसेंटेज इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज इन मोमेंटम। दिस क्वेश्चन इज सिमिलर एज दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट आई हैव गिवन यू। ओके, सो let's discuss. As we have derived the relation, momentum is equal to square root of 2m kinetic energy. Now in this type of problems, okay, whenever you get the relations like this, then percentage increase or decrease in momentum, okay, percentage increase or decrease in momentum can be written as root of 100 plus x by 10 minus 1. Okay, you multiply this with 100, you will get the answer. Now what is this x? Okay, actually there are a lot of calculation to derive this formula. I have did the whole calculation and finally I have written this formula for your convenience. Okay, now you might be thinking, what is this x? Just see here, if kinetic energy increases or decreases by x%, so whatever the percentage increase or decrease they would have given with respect to kinetic energy, this is x. Are you getting my point? If kinetic energy increases or decreases by x%, this x% is what I have taken here. Okay, this is the shortcut trick, root of 100 plus x by 10 minus 1, multiply whole with 100, you will get the answer. So let's apply the same trick in this question. Okay, what we have to find, percentage increase or decrease in momentum. What is the trick? Root of 100 plus x by 10 minus 1 whole multiply by 100. Now root of 100, what they have given x they have given 300. See here, 300 percentage. Okay, 300 by 10 minus 1 whole 100. All right, now 100 plus 300 is 400, square root of 400 is 20. All right, by 10 minus 1 into 100. Now cancel this 2, cancel this 0, 2 minus 1 into 100, so finally you will be getting 100%. So when you increase the kinetic energy by 300%, linear momentum will also increase by 100%. all right, so now let me take another example. All right, let me take another example, because the more example you do, the better you can understand, right? So let me take another example. If kinetic energy decreases, all right, decreases by 19%, let us take 19%, find percentage increase or decrease in momentum. Increase or decrease we don't know, so we have to find whether it is increasing or decreasing in momentum. P indicates momentum. As we know the relation between momentum and kinetic energy, momentum is equal to 2 into mass into kinetic energy. Now what is the trick to find increase or decrease in percentage, in P percentage? What is the trick I told you? Root of 100 plus x by 10 minus 1 into 100. Alright, now sign convention. Whenever they'll give decrease in whatever case may be, okay, whenever they'll give decrease, we have to take this percentage, we have to take this x, this is x, right? In this formula this is x, we have to take this x as negative. So let us take 100 minus 19 by 10 minus 1 into 100. What is 100 minus 19? It's 81. Alright, this is 81 into 100. Root of 81 is 9. 9 by 10 minus 1 into 100. What is the final answer? It is minus 10 percentage. Alright, when you calculate, we will be getting minus 10 percentage. Okay, now what this minus sign indicate? Minus sign indicate decrease. What decrease? What we have calculated? Momentum we have calculated. What decrease? Momentum is decreased. So when you decrease the kinetic energy by 19%, this is negative. Okay, I'll just take negative because this is decrease, as I told already. Okay, when we decrease the kinetic energy by 19%, momentum decreases by 10%. So in this way we can solve this problem very easily. In just few seconds we can solve this problem by continuously constant practice. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.